we are teaching our own people that we sold the land, that we have alienated ourselves from our own territories through such agreements. And that is not accurate. By the way, the legal term, when you actually boil down to this stuff, is how did Native people understand these agreements at the time that they were signed? To access what our people understood, Anishinaabe inain the Mawin, the Anishinaabe way of thinking, then you need to access that in Anishinaabe Mawin, our language. There is no way to connect to the indigenous understanding without the indigenous language. And when you start doing that, you realize that they used words like zongi mazanaigan, a strong paper, that some territories we would share use with the newcomers, and other territories would be reserved for our exclusive use and occupancy.